What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video in Westlake out in Thousand Oaks. And it's raining like crazy outside. That's why I'm doing my intro in the car. Yeah, it's raining like crazy. I know a lot of you guys out on the East Coast, the South, and the North, pretty much everywhere other than California, like, oh man, it's just a little rain. But I don't do jackets. I don't do umbrellas. I don't do nothing. I'm pretty sure I have a jacket. I think I got a couple jackets, but I don't really do jackets. I don't do raincoats, you know. Just do t-shirts and hoodies. That's all I do. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, technically this is not one of the outlets. It is a retail store, but it's pretty much an outlet. They treat it like an outlet. It does include 20% off all returns. Starting with the Blvd game, we do got the Zoom Flight 95s, aka Jason Kids. $130 for these. This is a size 13 right here. Remember, you do get 20% off of everything here. You got some size 17s. You got those $90 for those. 15s. Got these Vomero 16s going for $55. 12 and a half. You got some Super Reps, $50. 13 right here. Kansas City Chiefs. Oh no, these are size 12. My bad. But yeah, the great thing about this spot, clearance stuff, you do get full box. Kyrie size 11. I guess it's retail because there's no price tag on it. Air Max 97. Look at this. $75. You get another 20% off. So $60 for Air Max 97s. That is insane. $105 for these, 11 and a half. $120 for this, which is just funny because I just paid $30 for my pair. $165 for these Air Max 2017 size 10 and a half. $35 for these Zoom structures. Some running shoes, but they tend to be a little stiffer, so okay. $60 for these, 10 and a half. Pretty good price, especially with the discounts. That's on $48 after the discount. Witness sixes. Some boots. I've been needing some boots. $160 for these. These are the Geodomes. These are the Gore-Tex version. Okay. Air Max 97s going for $150. Size 9, $180 for these. Vapor Max, $120 for the Dunks. Jordans, where you can see your socks, they're see-through. Jordan 37, 9.5, going for $185. I see these in the aisles too, though. I do see these in the aisles. $160 to get an extra 20 off. 8.5, $180 for these. Not seeing too much in the smaller sizes. Not bad, not too bad. All right, let's check out the aisles. They have like non-traditional aisles, more like islands. And then we'll check out the clearance apparel. I'm a huge fan of the clearance apparel here. This is what I was talking about. $160. Oh, it's $140. They marked it down to $140 now. They only have size 8s and 9s. These used to be 20% off or 30% off a while back, and all the big sizes were taken then. Dude got some Soldiers. Are these the Jordan 1 Low Golf that we've been seeing at a bunch of spots? Okay. And what are these? The Infinity Tour Next Percent, the way over engineered golf cleats, React, a zoom air on the front. Jordan Access, another one of those. Westbrook Take 1s, Jordan Liftoffs. Zoom Freak 4s, Flytrap 5s. We've been seeing these Flytraps for hella cheap. Trainer 1s, that's a really good price for these. Was that $72? Air Max 1 Premiums, been seeing these at a bunch of outlets. Pegasus 37s, more of those. I think these were cheaper at the Camarillo though. This is the performance area right here. Not really seeing much though, man. Just not much. A lot of generic stuff. I just noticed, I just walked right past that heat wall earlier. Holy cow. But yeah, not much in this little section. Let's go check out the heat wall, see what's up there. I almost missed out on these. These are fire. I'm a huge fan of these. That red, that little bit of red, and then that mesh area looks like a metallic mesh, but obviously it's not. These are fire, dude. $150, a little steep. Maybe they'll go down in price eventually. Because yeah, eventually, if it goes down, it might be worth it. Then some Blazer mids with that crack leather. Yeah, it's here. It is what it is. All right, let me go see what's up with the heat section. That's why I missed it. On the other side, it's just socks, and I came from that direction. Okay, they do got a little heat wall here. Okay, no discounts over there. Jordan 5 Aquas. These are all retail though, no extra discounts. Okay, it's here, it's here. Some sevens. Size what? 9.5. Some dunks, Christmas dunks. Looks like a Christmas gift. Some just regular dunks, dunk highs. Everybody hates the dunk highs now apparently. Grade school version of these, size 5. Yeah, more dunk highs that people don't like apparently. Some teeny tiny Jordan Mars Jordan 3s. And do got these 10.5 red Oreo 6s. And got 2 different LeBron 20s. Oh, this is the one that's a little bit cheaper. I forgot what it's called. Isn't this the one that's like 2 different colorways? No, it's not. That's not that one. My bad. Yeah, I have no clue which colorway is this or how much. Yeah, this is the one that's like 165, I think, right? I think that's that one, and then here's the regular one that's like $2 or something. I don't know all the LeBrons like that. My bad. All right, let's see what's up with the apparel section. 20% off. Do see a jersey, 3 Lions. I have no clue what team that is. I don't really know soccer. Double XL, $95. This is a really dope. I don't know what to call it. It's like a pullover. Really nice material. It is a dry fit. 115 down to 70, and then you get another 20 off. So pretty much 50% off. That was a size large. So are these Nike basketball embroidered Nike basketball sign. That's pretty dope. $23, 97 cents. Nike Yoga, 80 down to 80. Some polos, medium polos, 75 down to $46. More Nike basketball with embroidered basketball sign. These are going for $23. Celtics jersey, brown, $120, medium. This clearance rack, just a bunch of t-shirts. What the heck? They got Nike t-shirts right here going for $15, 20 off. So what's that, $12? $12 right there. Pretty plain Nike tees. Jordan tees with the Jumpman logo on it, going for $23. Normally $40. It does say Air Jordan on the back. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just not really seeing too much. Some generic Jordan jerseys going for $45. I like jersey / tank tops. They don't really say nothing on them. Man, I was so excited to check out their apparel section. Not really seen too much. Shorts and more shorts. Jordan backpack right here, 20% off. It's kind of an interesting backpack. Kind of small though, not the biggest backpack. 65 down to 50. That is not a large. Don't tell me that's a large. They got one with the packaging airbag bubbles on them. What's this going for? $130. $130. Holy crap. $150. Yeah, that's why I get backpacks at the clearance store, but I know a lot of the resellers have been picking them up too because they're just such great deals there. The other side of here, they got some socks and stuff. Some golf clubs. Going for $15, normally $25. You get an extra 20% off. Some socks. Certain crew socks. Oh, these are super nice. These are super thick. Holy crap, 20 down to 15. You get another 20% off, so $12. That's not bad. These are Nike Elite everyday socks. All the Elite stuff tends to be hella nice. Oh wait, there's one section that I haven't hit up yet. Okay, this is 20% off all this stuff right here. Christmas sweats right here. These are going for $30, normally $45. This hoodie's pretty dope. 65 down to 30. But once it fades, I don't think it's gonna look that great. But $30, you get 20% off. That's what, $24. That's a hell of a deal. These are super nice. Oh, this was in the clearance section. But yeah, $70. Kind of pricey. A little out of my price range. If you wanna tell everybody you're a freak right here, they got one of these Zoom Freak hoodies going for $37, normally $85. So get a discount on top of that. More of these. On the other side of here, just a bunch of pants, golf pants and stuff like that. How much the golf pants going for? Now that I messed it all up. $90. Dang, no markdowns? Okay, that seems more like $65, normally $95. Okay, that's long as hell, but you can get it tailored at that price. Some sweats, Crater sweats right here. What these going for? $35 for this one. I think I have the. No, I don't have the one that matches that. Oh, these are Nike Yoga sweats. Crater, 90 down to 80. Okay, no big apparel steals today. Checking the women's section. Lately, the women's section's been extra mediocre. I don't really see too many things that stand out, to be really honest. Vaporfly Next Percent go for 180. This is size 10 women's. I guess it's 36 Fly's go for $80. Prestos go for 90. These are size 9 right here. Infinity Run Flyknits go for 85, size 9. 7.5. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for 150. Under that, Burrows 55. 7.5 Air Max 97s go for $100. Size 7 Prestos go for 90, and then more Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for 230. Let's go check out the aisles, man. I don't really see much in the clearance section. Women's section, like extra mediocre, but I also know that you have to come here super early because the resellers love this place with the full boxes and everything. I don't blame them. Don't blame them. Jordans on sale. That is dope. But yeah, smaller sizes. Biggest size I see is a size 8. Blazers. Air Max pre-days. Air Max 95s. Air Max 90s. Got some Burrows. And then some cheaper Burrows. I'm all about that, man, right there. Under 30 bucks. I've mentioned this in prior videos. They do have a thing on the side right here. Sometimes have sneakers up here that aren't in the aisles. I see a couple. Some Dunks. I don't know what colorway that is. Sometimes this stuff they only have one. Sometimes they have a few, so you definitely have to ask. Retro 5s. These are the Mars Yard 5s right here. Some sandals right here. Grab these for 20% off too. Jordan 8s. Jordan 1 mids right there. Some 1 highs. Okay. More mids. This is the half and half. I'm just not a fan of those. Then Air Max 2017. Then let's see what I'm wearing. Jordan 12s. Jordan 12s. I did pick up a pair of the Alma Maniers. These are 10.5 and these are hella loose on me, so I was only able to score 9.5. I was so dumb during the release. I haven't gotten a release on the Alma Manier website in a while, so yeah, I was dumb as hell. I got in, and then my size sold out, so I just sat there and complained, and then I forgot. I was like, hey, you can get other sizes. So yeah, I ended up just getting a size 9.5. I went in for a size 11 women's, 11.5, which is size 10, and then I know the half sizes are a lot harder to get, but yeah, I screwed up. Yeah, wearing Lakers gear. I think you guys saw what I wore a couple videos ago. I did show it, I think, in the I think I showed it in the Camarillo video, but yeah, you got the Jordan 12s on. Chinese New Year. Checking out the performance section right here for the women's. Okay, they got a few interesting things. Zoom Terra Hikers. This one going for way too much. Do got the Phantom React Flyknits. These are pretty much Epic React Flyknits with no laces up top. Infinity Run Flyknits. This is the 2nd gen. We'll see how these feel because I just bought my first one. Dang, Phantom React Flyknits go for hella cheap. Pegasus 38s, 39s. Another one right here. Pretty decent price. And regular price for these, man. I just realized right here they have like a super fancy, I don't know, what is this, like a mini duffel bag? Or, I don't know, a purse? I don't know, something, but yeah, $125. It looks all bougie as hell. Okay. They also have just a Nike backpack, $52. And a backpack right here. Alright, I think that's about it, dude. Really not seeing too much today. But had to check, man, had to check. Alright, let's go. Back to the rain. Back to the rain.